Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. Let's start with opening the keypad, and let's start with the shortest code I've got prepared for you. It is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both email numbers and also serial number attached to this device. Before I'll show you another code, just a quick disclaimer because I forgot to do it at the very beginning of the video. I highly recommend to check in the link which is in the description box, because you will be transferred to the website where you can check not only all of the codes which I will present today, but also many more information, just like information about the software set, hardware set, ICO for mode, etc. So everything connected with this particular device. So I highly recommend to check it, because if you will forget the codes, or if I will forget a code and do not present it here, you will be able to check other options. Alright, so we just had the first secret code, so let me show you the code for the calendar. It is *###, 225 ###. And as you can see, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code, which is more technical one. It will open the diagnostic mode, which is provided by Google. It is *##426 *###. And as you can see, we are in the diagnostic, so here we can check the server, host port, time connected, and the signal levels should also appear right here. We can also tap on events, and there we've got some further technical details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it, tap on the status, and here we've got much more information like the last ping, heartbeat, or HB algorithm. After tapping on the events again, we do not have a lot of differences in the status. So that's all for the diagnostic mode. And now let me show you the last code for this video, which will open the testing mode, which is connected with your device, of course. It is *##4636 *###. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so here we've got the tablet information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. So let me find the tablet information, for example. Let me check, not find. And here we've got technical info again, just like the email number, car network, data service, voice service, signal strength, and basically I do not have any kind of information here because I do not have my SIM inserted, but if you've got one, for sure you will be able to check the information. You can scroll down to run the ping test. You've got the results right here, and you can also tap on the three dots icon. You can view SIM address book or enable data connection. Let's go back and let's enter usage statistics, and basically in this section you've got the list of all apps and processes which are currently on this device. You can check the usage time of the particular app. You can change the sorting type from the usage time, last time used, or app name, so it's up to you how you want to sort them. It's up to you. We can enter the Wi-Fi information also. We've got the API configuration and the status. So let me choose, for example, the status. Let me refresh the stats. And as you can see, we can check the network state, SSID, or network ID. We can also run ping test here. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.